Two big super changes are about to hit, and every employer should know what's coming. So it's really important to jump onto this and get it sorted right away. It's called Payday Super, and it's about to change the way that you make super payments. The first change is that the ATO is phasing out the small business clearinghouse. The clearinghouse is preferred by many employers because it helps you and your accountant lodge the super details. This is the system that we currently use at the time of recording because it provides our clients with an easy payment slip. Now, that payment slip has been very handy because it allows clients to pay the super at any time before the due date. And for new employers, the Small Business Super Clearinghouse has already gone. You don't have access to new sign-ups to the clearinghouse. And by the 30th of June 2026, it will be completely shut down. The replacement is a system called Auto Super, and it's compulsory once you lose access to the clearinghouse. You might remember when Single Touch Payroll commenced. Employers were required to utilise special software to run payroll and lodge the details with the ATO at every pay run. That same software will facilitate your Auto Super. You'll pay your employees super with a few simple clicks in your payroll system, but only after you've authorised the payment from within your software. I completely understand that many of you will be very concerned about this, and I have to agree that these linked payment systems can bring with them vulnerability and security issues, despite the ATO's assurances. And I have a suggestion. Later on, I'll be showing you how to link your bank account to Auto Super. Now, if you're concerned, I recommend that you don't link your main account. You could set up a special super account and transfer funds into that as needed. That way, the auto payment system will not have access to your main business account. Once you authorise the payment, the Auto Super system will take the payment from your connected bank account with no need to log in to online banking. The second big change from the 1st of July 2026 is Payday Super. That means that every time you run a pay, your employee's super must be paid at the same time, with no exceptions and no quarterly delays. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Auto Super in Xero so that you're 100% ready for Payday Super and the closure of the clearinghouse. Now, if you're a new employer, you will need to do this right now. And everyone else, you should get started really as soon as you can. Now, I know these types of changes are the last thing that you need in your day, but watch this video and I promise you, you won't feel like smashing your computer. And do stay tuned because we've noticed a few glitches that might put a spanner in the works. And at the end of the video, I'll show you exactly how to fix them. Now, let's dive in. Go ahead and open your Xero file and click on Settings. Next, scroll down to the Payroll section and select Payroll Settings. And next, choose Automatic Super. Now, if you don't have that tab, don't be too concerned. Stick around to the end and I'll show you how to fix that. Most of you will have the tab, so we'll move on for now. In this tab, you'll set up the person authorised to process Auto Super, and you'll also choose the bank account that you wish to use for the auto payment. This is where you might choose an account that is only used for super. You should avoid using your main business account. Next, select Payroll from the top ribbon and then choose Superannuation. The Auto Superannuation payment screen will appear and you choose Add Super Payment. Next, select the super payments that you want to pay. Note the due dates. At the time of recording, you can elect to pay super quarterly, but post 1 July 2026, all super on this screen will be payable. Next, you'll see this screen. It tells you that you have a pending approval. The green message tells you that a code has been sent to your phone. And here we have a screenshot of a phone that's received the message. The code here is in blue. This is a sample that I've set up for the purposes of the video, and the code is no longer valid. Back in your Xero file, continue to the next screen and approve the payment of the superannuation by selecting the blue Approve button. This next screen will appear. Simply add the code and click Approve and Submit. In a day or two, Auto Super will deduct the super payment amount from your nominated bank account. You'll see it on the reconciliation screen and go ahead and reconcile it. I recommend that you set up a rule, as we have here, to code it to super payable. Remember that I've mentioned a glitch that some users have found. There's a problem if you don't see this Auto Super tab in the payroll settings. In that case, first check your Xero subscription and make sure that you have an Auto Super enabled subs. The Xero subscription will be changing so that all payroll does include Auto Super. If your subscription is right, then carry on to the following steps. Go back to Accounting in the top ribbon and then select Chart of Accounts. Click on the bank account that you want your super payments to be taken from. Make sure that the BSB and account number are in the correct format. The BSB should be 3 digits, a dash, then 3 digits. And also tick the box that says Include Self-Balancing Transactions. And that should solve your problem. So if you're still using the Small Business Super Clearinghouse, now's the perfect time to plan your switch to Auto Super. For our BAS and Super clients, we'll help you move to the new system so that you can lodge Auto Super yourself. For our payroll clients, we'll have a system that allows us to run your payroll and calculate the super. We'll then obtain your approval before moving on to process your Auto Super. If you're looking for more resources to help you with your business, please go and check out our website. It has heaps of free instant downloads. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.